have to boil 4 cups of water, and we're going to pour this in. Place your unicorn head in overnight. I can't believe I touched in crystals. These are colors. We could mix purple and we could mix green. Light purple is this, pink and blue. We're gonna make it right now. First, let's add blue. It's very hard. And we're doing a little bit of pink too. This is purple. Now we're gonna do yellow and blue. First is some yellow. Just a little bit of yellow. It very looks like orange. Well, not orange, it's yellow. There. A little drop. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Boop. Now we just need these colors. And we're gonna make pink and yellow. See what that does. We always use light colors first. It turned orange. Yellow. Pink. Yellow's a primary color. You don't have to make yellow. And blue's a primary color too. Now we're ready to paint. I'm doing the horn first. Subscribe to our channel with Lily and me. I hope you like this video for painting my unicorn. Bye!